Are you ready to get creative, colorful, and make something super cool? Today, we're going to learn how to draw everyone's favorite panda. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's Elliot. Grab your crayons and some white paper. Remember, you can always pause the video if it goes too fast. It's best to draw at your own pace. Are you ready? We start by drawing a rectangle for Elliot's body. But don't make the corners too sharp. Try to draw them a little bit round, like this. This will be Elliot's head and body. Now, let's draw Elliot's ears. He needs them to listen. They're super easy. Draw 2 semicircles for the ears in the rounded corners of the body. Let's draw Elliot's eyes. Make 2 big circles inside the rectangle. They should be the same size as the ears. Those are the black patches that all pandas have. To finish Elliot's eyes, we need to draw more circles. Draw 1 circle inside each circle, and then a smaller circle inside that one. You should now have 3 circles total. Let's finish Elliot's face by drawing the nose and the mouth, Lingokids. The nose is easy. Place it right in the middle of the 2 eyes by drawing a little circle there and color it in black. Nice work! Now let's draw the mouth. Elliot loves to laugh. So let's draw him laughing. Draw the shape of a U just underneath the nose, and on the right side, the tongue. The face is ready. Let's draw the rest. Underneath Elliot's mouth, let's draw his belt. Are you ready to move on to the arms and legs? For the arms and legs, we'll draw 4 more circles, 1 right and 1 left. See how we're drawing the arms? Now, time for the legs, 1 right and 1 left. Well done! Are you ready to move on? If not, you can pause the video to catch up. Time to color. Get your crayons, Lingokids! With the black crayon, let's start by coloring in the smallest circle in Elliot's pupils. Using the black crayon, we're also going to color Elliot's ears, the patches around the eyes, the right arm, the left arm, the right leg, and the left leg. But you can do it in any order you want. And take your time. It's kind of hard to stay within the lines, isn't it? Now grab a red crayon and color Elliot's tongue. And don't forget his pants. Wow, what an outfit! To finish, let's color Elliot's belt turquoise. Yup, that's Elliot all right.